Hi, welcome back to our channel.
Thanks and maraming salamat to everyone who's liked, shared, commented or subscribed. We really do appreciate it.
We are on our way to Yorkshire. It takes 1 hour and 45 minutes to go to Yorkshire. We are on a motorway. Well, it's a sunny day today and the temperature is so nice. I think it's 40 degrees and it's sunny days here. You see? Can you see the view? It's an early Sunday morning and it's quiet in the motorway, but it's nice and it's a wonderful day.
Okay, so we're now on the M62. This is Britain's highest motorway. You can see we're just now climbing up through the Pennines hills from Lancashire to Yorkshire. Beautiful rolling countryside out here. Beautiful open countryside. In the winter, this sometimes gets blocked with snow and becomes impassable. Get them on the way.
We are arrived in York. You see the houses here are beautiful. They are almost the same. I enjoy watching because I like the houses here in York. What street is this then?
This is Hull Road, leading into the centre of York.
Okay. See the houses there? They are very nice, isn't it? Oh, lovely houses. Those are the kind of houses they have here in York. It's just like apartment in the Philippines.
Okay, so we've come over to York to help my son David tidy up his garden. He's not been able to do very much on it during the COVID-19 lockdown, so I thought we'd come over and give him a hand.
On film.
He's just trimming the hedges. It's a little bit noisy, but I think you can still hear me. Yeah, that's what he's doing now. That's nice now.
It's a bit neater.
Yeah. What is that?
That's a thorny plant that's it grows in the hedge.
Okay.
So I've got the gloves on when I'm clearing the thorns. You can see it's got
Yeah, it's
quite
spiky.
a big spike on it.
Yeah. You start there. Yeah.
Right, so we've done a little bit of tidying up. You can see the hedges have all now been trimmed, all very neat and very tidy. Flowers in the middle, wild flowers, so we'll leave those where they are. All the garden here is looking now very, very neat and tidy. Nice, neatly trimmed hedge. I'm sure he'll be happy with that.
So we're just leaving York now, just down on the Hall Road heading towards the A64 to take us back to Leeds and then on to the motorway to Manchester. It's been a beautiful evening. Let's hope it stays that way all the way home. Visitors on the roof of this petrol station on the left.
Oh, there you can see. Hi. We're home.